Hey, you guys, happy Monday. It is October 6th. I am not going to be before you long. It is currently 1:21 p.m. I've been doing schoolwork and also trading. Um, I'm not active today, but I did learn something. I am in future. I am in a futures trade. Um, I got the gist of what ICT was mentioning, and then also on Threads, I'm following Kristen Alexis. Um, of course, Earn Your Leisure and Aristotle, they do options. Options is a different breed that I am not interested in. Why is my okay, that's better. Camera was kind of glossy. Um, but yeah, I did some homework Sunday evening, Sunday night about futures, and I officially just placed my first trade. I'm just doing a tester. I should have did an alert instead of putting money in, but we on paper money. If anything, hit that reset button and reset this whole thing. um, and learn from the lessons, of course. I might not even hit reset. I'll probably just build my account back up. But real quick, Um, I did it before I did all that. I did an overview of my active orders. JP Morgan did buy 2 shares at 10 a.m. this morning at my 307.90 price target. So that meant that oh no. Oh, hold on. Let's see this live. So I had an alert for my futures order and hold on. Stop sharing real quick. Gotta get this off of here first. Okay. Oh, price doesn't stop. I put a stop loss. So when you're doing futures, you want to put a stop loss above the price that you sold for because you don't want to have to owe more. And it's hitting my targets. So positions. Here is my futures trade. As you can see, -1 because I borrowed money from the broker. Well, the lender borrowed from a broker. And I traded at 67.88 and I had an alert to let me know because I have a stop loss at 67.96. But I believe that price would go down to a imbalance that I have found. But I had an alert to alert me if price was at or above 67.93. And is this updated? It says it was at 693. That's why I was asking. So I had asked a support tech actually because I couldn't find this chart's ticker in Thinkorswim, and he told me, and now I'm double guessing that we were on the same page. Because when did price hit 67? I thought I said 93. I understand if it hit 83, but it couldn't. We'll see. I'm gonna just let it ride. And whatever happens, happens at this point. Um, where was I? Yeah, so here was an imbalance. Let's see, price bounced from here. And this was my buy side liquidity that I found. And I believe price will eventually go back down to here. I probably should have recorded my order. I probably could. do a play one. So to do that, you would hit sell, sell one, because we don't want to buy a lot. Sell one, you can change your expiration date. I just had it at what it was. Here I put sell it at 67.88. Limit GTC. As soon as I hit submit, it sold. OCO and contingent order. So then I put sell at 67.88. Then I want you to buy one because I owe the lender buy one at the same expiration date at 67.96, which is my stop, because I don't want to owe more than I can afford. Okay, so less than $10, and each dollar is $50 that I would owe, right? So if you do the math, $10, 10 times 5 is 50, add a zero, $500. So then minus $2, 400. So I would owe $400 if price was to jump here. That's why I'm like, should I delete that stop? Because when you look at the chart, this is the highest price has ever been up here. And you know, anything can happen, anything can change, but you know, I don't want to have to owe when I believe price will decrease eventually, you know? And even if it doesn't get below here, I could still find another fair value gap. I might actually delete that stop. Anywho, this is what I did, and then or stop there or buy one at where I feel price will drop to at 670.65. I put it in between my gap. Click on there. Between 67.63, 67.67. Okay. I believe price will drop here. My expiration date is December. I do have an opportunity to extend it if it doesn't. But yeah, you'll just hit review and then send. So that's what I did today. I finally got the concept of futures because everything is so backwards. Like, I was like, why would you buy? I mean, why would you sell high and buy low? But when you sell, even though I didn't have anything, I'm borrowing money. Well, I'm borrowing a share. I'm borrowing a share. I'm asking the broker to find me a lender that I could borrow a share. So I got that share, and now my position of my finances, I have a $22,000 hold on my account for collateral. So if I can't pay that back, I pay that so that I can get that share back. So that's why you're buying one at a lower price so that I can keep that profit, keep the profit between 67.88 down to 67.65. Let's do that math. You can just do 88 minus 65. That's 23 times $50. I get to save and profit $1,000, $1,150. That's on me because I bought at a low price. The lender and the broker do not care about the money. They care about the share, because I'm like, at first I was thinking, if I'm buying at this high and I'm profiting at this low, how do they get their money back? But with research, I found that they don't care about the cost. They just want their share back. So that makes sense. And that's how people profit off of futures. It's upside down, but it makes sense. Now, if I said to buy 2 shares, right, because I expect price to go up so I can buy long because it's selling short. But if I want to buy long, I would buy 2 shares, but then I will only have one position because I owe 1 share. All right. But if I put 2 shares, I'll give one away and I still have one. So I'm buying long to hold. But selling short is when you, like what I do, buy high, sell high, buy low. That is selling short. I love this. I love that I'm understanding this. This is all I wanted to do today, honestly. And this is all I did do. In my journal, I just put my current working positions just so I can have a clean slate. All this jazz here. The only thing that I executed today, like I said, was JP Morgan. Right here, it executed at my fair value gap. And yeah, the most exciting thing was finally doing a future. But just the only thing I'm nervous about is having a stop limit, knowing or feeling, because I'm still practicing, that price will bounce down. Even if it doesn't bounce all the way down here, I can still change to buy at a lower price that I sold it for. You know, like I bought, let me put that line there here. I bought at 67, sold. I gotta remember, I sold at 788, exactly right here. Let's change that color. I changed the color. Let's do orange. And then I'll put sell shorts, top, center. And I understand the fair value gap. Look, price is about to hit. Like, price is going up right now. That's why I'm like, I want to get out the stop. I want to get out the stop. I want to get out the stop. Or increase it. Price is touching. Price is going above buy side liquidity. I'm gonna do 8,6,800. We're changing this live. Stop. Review sent. Because no. No. Filled. Did I put in a second order? Panicking does this. I put in a second freaking order. Brought to you live. Why does it do that? I literally just wanted to change my order. I keep putting in second orders. If you guys didn't watch, I accidentally put in a second order for team right here. You see, I'm in 20 shares. I had 10. I went to change it and it put in a second order. Okay. Okay, how can we fix this? Why did it put in a second order? I literally just went to change the price. So I guess you just gotta cancel the whole thing and start over. Cause it literally on live. This was supposed to be a quick video. I just wanted to show you guys what I did. Wanted to raise up my bar and be on my way to the gym before I got class. And now I gotta fix my mess. All right. We're doing this live. Wow. I don't even know what I'm looking at. Like, these two go together, these two go together. I want to keep this one. I don't want these. Cancel. No, I can't cancel. Edit, cancel. Okay, cancel submitted. How's my money? Filled. It's still bought one. So now I have two positions. And it bought one so high. 93. I did not tend to do that at all. Yeah, I have two shares now. And I only have two orders. So now I have no, I need to change that to two. I need to change both of them to two. No, I just want to edit. Now I need to sell both of those at a lower price. That's all I have to do. Buy two at, so this is the only one I want to change. You guys are getting this live. This is good. Okay. I'm calm. I'm okay. Let me take a sip of watermelon juice. Wow. I thought this video was only going to be 10 minutes. Buy two at my low price. At this point, you're doing construction next door. And I set my right here, perfect. Oh, not that one. This one. I set my ad text. Stop limit or two of them things now. So I bought here, sell short one, buy two at 665. Let's just change this color now. Did I put this orange? Oh, there's no middle line. Background. I don't want this no more. That was my sell side liquidity, but and what do I have this for? Is that my alert? No, that's my buy side liquidity, which randomly shot up. Okay. So sell to here or at this point, whenever price on 5 minute, there's a gap, a small gap right here. I could still profit from that. That's $8. I think being this is my first time, I should go lower. It's a small gap, but it's a doable gap. So I can also set price at 67.80. 67.80. At this point, I like that. And then I could put an alert if price does go to 67.65. That way, it's like, okay, trust your instinct. Prices normally, this is October 3rd, October 2nd. Price normally stays here, but look how it drops as well. So if it drops, that means it's most likely to continue on dropping, but it can also continue on increasing. This is the highest point for this. I'm gonna hold on my instinct. I'm gonna hold on. I'm gonna hold on. I got to December. I got till December. Okay, let's submit that. Send. And then need to edit this one for two stop loss here. Stop limit, stop loss, yeah. Change that to 2. Good till canceled, stop, send. Okay, we good now? I'm in there too. -2. Okay. Now that's $100. This is filled. Okay, because that's what I bought. Oh, I bought at 6,793. Can't believe I did that. Even 25. 6,793.25. Get rid of that purple line. I'm over it now. Sell shorts to accident. That turned. All right. Oranges for futures. This is how you do a clean chart so you get an understanding though. And I want an alert for when price goes 6780. Let me check my working. To stop limit. I'm really thinking about this gap. But let me do an alert. 6780. Alerts. Where is create alert? Oh, right here. Create an alert at or below 6780 50. At or below. Thank you kindly. And then another one at 6767. At or below 6767. This is why they say you cannot have distractions. 6767. Have to be attentive. All right. Now we wait. Oh, I probably want an alert for when it gets close up to here, if it ever does. Let me see if there's a gap it needs to fill, because price is heading towards. No, it filled that. It filled that. I can only see here. This gap right here. This bearish gap. No, because it completed it. But does it have to fill the whole thing? It probably does. So price is going to go here at least, up there. Where I entered, basically. Oh, wow. Okay. I don't need you no more. All right, guys. Well, risk. That's what it is. It takes risk. It takes money to risk. Now I gotta update my journal. Jim about to be busy by the time I get there. But I'm done for today. Unless something comes back. Unless something happens by 4 on closing. Well, futures doesn't close. I think I'm done for today. Whatever happens, I'll let you guys know tomorrow. Yeah. Thank you for watching my live accidental selling short position ×2 again. Wow. This is beautiful content. It is. You learn from your mistakes, though. Cancel the orders instead of editing. Unless you're editing the share, buy, sell, share. Money-wise, cancel. Just cancel. All right, you guys. I need to go to the gym. Let my aggression and frustration out on them dumbbells. I'll see you guys tomorrow.